Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. Today we're going to be working with this 2018-2020 Jeep Wrangler JL and installing our new rear inner liner. I'll be walking you through removing the OEM liner and then leading you through installing your new liner. First we're going to start by removing the front fender liner. There are 6 tension clips supporting the liner that need to be removed, 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. To remove the clips, you can use a fastener remover or wedge tool. These clips can be a bit challenging to remove and might require a bit of force. Next, we're going to remove the fender and liner from the Jeep body. This will require some effort to remove the fender and liner due to the 13 white clips. These clips are a one-time use and easy to replace. Now it's time to install your new rear liner. Locate the provided hardware, bolt, washer, and lock washers. An electric drill will make easy work. Position the rear liner and match up the holes. Using the hardware, hand tighten in place. Hand tighten in place. If it seems that the holes don't match up, don't worry. You can loosen the inside liner bolts to adjust the liner support holes. This will give the holes a little room to match up. Hand tighten the bolt. Hand tighten the bolt. Hand. Secure the center bolts in position. Once the liner fits in place, it's time to secure it. Grab your electric drill with a number 4 Allen key attachment and fully tighten the liner in place. In place. Right on. Nice work. Congrats on your new rear inner liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. These liners will give your Jeep the protection and support for the many trails ahead. If you like these step-by-step videos, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of any future new Wolfstorm products and videos. Thanks for stopping by here at Wolfstorm Offroad. Keep it wild, Wolfpack. We'll see you next time.